Hi, Daryl Stafford with Catalysis. I'm here with 3 tools, old wood tooling board tools that probably made a lot of parts, but they're kind of end of life. They're starting to delaminate. So the customer brought us these tools. We laser scanned them and then made that data solid. And then we designed the Catalysis 3D printed tool, vacuum forming tool, from that solid data. And these tools here, they're made for mass production, high volume production parts. So it just kind of shows we can go from rickety old tools like this and reverse engineer them, scan them, or we can actually go from the part. If you have the part itself, it's even better to go from the part, and we can reverse engineer and make tools for any older tooling that you might have.